My dear friends, today I am going to tell you about hologram. We all have heard and have also seen holograms. We have heard about hologram. Hologram is a three-dimensional shape projected in the air. It does not need a screen. It may be a shape or a video. It is a three-dimensional shape or video formed by light rays projected from different directions. When the light rays intersect in space, we could see the shape or the video. What you can see in the screen here is the hologram of a firework. You can see how nicely it comes in the projector. With the advancement in technology, we can now make a holographic video projector right in our drawing room. We can make a projector and we can see holograms right in our drawing room. In this video, today I will tell you how to make a holographic projector with the stuff we have at home. Let us go into the video now. The materials required for making a holographic projector are a graph sheet, pen, pencil, knife for cutting acrylic sheet, a knife for cutting paper, gum, sellotape, and CD cases if you have at home, old CD cases or DVD cases. If you don't have, you will have to buy acrylic sheet and cut it and use it. I could not get old CD covers because pen drives have replaced all the CDs and DVDs. So I had to get an acrylic sheet. And cut it and use it. You have to get acrylic sheet 1 mm thick or 2 mm thick. And you need a pair of scissors also. Make a sketch of a trapezium on tracing paper 1 cm wide at the base, 3.5 cm high and 6 cm wide at the top. Cut the figure and paste it onto the CD cover or the acrylic sheet. And cut the acrylic sheet into trapezium shape. We need 4 trapeziums. Assemble the four trapeziums to form a trapezoidal prism. Use sellotape to stick the pieces together. Assemble them as shown in this video. Use gum to stick the four corners together and then allow it to rest for about 12 hours. Allow it to set for 12 hours. Now the projector is ready. This has to be placed on a mobile phone. To avoid scratches on the mobile phone surface, stick a soft cardboard to the base as shown. Open your mobile phone and open YouTube videos. You will find a lot of holographic videos if you search for hologram videos. Start the video and place your projector at the center of the video. That's it. Now look at it sideways. Your hologram will appear in the middle of your holographic projector. If you can do this in a dark room or try it in the night with all the lights off, it will be a wonderful experience for you. Let us enjoy some of the holographic scenes now. This is the hologram of a bird flying. Now you can see a fish. Now you can see another fish. See a globe. Now you can see two people dancing. is a firework in hologram. So make a hologram projector at home and enjoy. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done it so far, and give a thumbs up, and write your comments below and share it with your friends. Thank you.